So now in this part of the poem now we are going to see what the ant have replied to the cricket. Okay, so as I told you now, when the because of starvation and famine, that cricket thought of taking the help of the ant. So when he reached to the ant, now what they replied we are going to see in this part of the video. Okay, says the ant to the cricket, I am your servant and friend, but we ants never borrow, we ants never lend. So when he thought of taking the help of the ant na, and when he reached to them, what the ant have told him na, they are trying to tell us here. So when the cricket asked them na, so what the ant have told them, that I am your servant and friend, बट वी आंट नेवर बोरो, वी आंट नेवर लैंड. अगर हम आपके नौकर हो या आपके दोस्त हो, पर हम जो एंट्स है वो हम कभी किसी से जो फूड है वो कभी बोरो भी नहीं करते, उधार लेते भी नहीं है, और ना ही अपना खाना किसी को उधारी में देते हैं. यानी कभी हम बोरो भी नहीं करते और कभी किसी को अपना खाना जो है लैंड भी नहीं करते. बट टेल मी क्रिकेट, डियर क्रिकेट, did you lay nothing by? When the weather was warm, quoth the cricket, not it. So when that cricket asked the help from the ant, and they told him that whether we may be your servant or friend, but we are not going to borrow also or lend also any food to you. But then he asked him that when the days were warm, at that time what you were doing at that time. So as we were all were working now, so what you were doing at that time, they were trying to understand that why he came here for help. So they asked him that what you have done at that time when the days were warm. So what the cricket replied to them, my heart was so light that I sang day and night, for all nature looked gay. You sang, sir, you say? Means what he replied to them, that because of the nature, as the nature was very good and the days and nights were warm, so because of the nature I was just singing throughout the day and night, as I am the have that so light heart. Means he was habitual now singing. So because of the nature was very good, I was very happy in singing throughout the day and night. And when the and what the ants heard na this, he said that you were singing, you are trying to tell me that you were singing throughout day and night in that warm days when all were working. Go then, says the ant, and dance the winter away. And when they hear this na, this that the cricket was just singing and not doing anything, they got angry and they told him that just go away, and now what you will do, go and dance throughout this winter, as you have sang the song during the summer season when all were working. Now you do when all are taking their rest and having their food and enjoying. Now you do that, go and just dance and enjoy yourself through this winter. Thus ending, he hastily lifted the wicket, and out of the door turned the poor little cricket. And what the ant have done, they had just told him to go away from their house, and they even closed the door also by not giving anything to the cricket. And now this poor little cricket understood now that he is going to die because of the starvation. now उसे समझ में आ गया था कि अब तो उसे भूख के मारे उसकी मौत होने ही वाली थी. So now folk call this a fable, I will warrant it true. Now इस जो ये जो किस्सा है, इसे सब लोग एक कहानी की तरफ, एक छोटी सी स्टोरी की तरह आज भी कहते हैं कि अगर मेहनत नहीं करोगे तो उसका आपको जो पनिशमेंट है वो भी मिलेगा. यानी हमें टाइम का सही से इस्तेमाल करना चाहिए. जब टाइम होता है तब हमें हमारा काम कर लेना चाहिए, वरना फिर बाद में पछताना पड़ता है. और क्यों पछताना पड़ता है, जब एज द व्हेन द ऑल वर वर्किंग, क्रिकेट ऑल्सो हैज़ टू वर्क एंड हैज़ टू कलेक्ट द फूड फॉर हिम. he has not done that, and because of that he got the punishment of what, of starvation, and because of the starvation he was died. Yes, na. So this is related to our human beings only, as where some of the human beings, what they never do anything, and when the time comes, their hard times comes, na, they starts complaining. So they are trying to relate this story with the human beings, which gives us the moral that we always have to work hard, and we have to use our time properly. Okay. So and this was adapted from Aesop's fable. So after the explanation and reading of this poem, we will do the writing work also of this poem. I will send you the notes also, that you will complete in your book, and next week I am going to check your books. Okay. So students, please complete your work, and write neatly and properly in your books. Okay. So take care, and have a nice day.